Hello, welcome to this update for uh, typhoon Pepito in the Philippines. So it's now a very strong typhoon about to hit the Philippines. So it's forecast to go further north and make landfall more than northern island of the Philippines during the next few days. But as you can see, it's already affecting the Philippines with very high waves and stronger winds there. And already there's some rain falling in the Philippines, some heavy rain. So let's see what will happen with this. So we have still tropical storm Usagi, the remnants of Usagi there near Taiwan, strong typhoon Pepito there in the Philippines, and we now have tropical cyclone Becky in the southern Indian Ocean. So we'll make a video just about Becky tomorrow. So stay tuned for that if you are around the Indian Ocean. But because it's very late here today, so we just wanted to make this quick about Pepito. So let's see. So it's there now. So in the next 5 days, it's forecast to dump a lot of rain in the Philippines, more than 300 millimeters. So shows there some areas 312 millimeters, 309, 320, shows more than 200 throughout the northern island there. So please stay safe in the Philippines. Shows other areas like eastern Philippines, 230 millimeters, 217. So please be careful there. As you can see, uh, the model here of the storm shows the storm there passes by the eastern Philippines, some very heavy rain in those islands there as it passes. It goes still some torrential rain at times in some islands. It goes there, makes landfall in the northern island around Sunday, the 17th, late on Sunday. So yeah, please have your preparations done around those islands there. Please stay safe from storm surge and rip currents and coastal flooding around those islands, and have, especially in those islands where it might pass over you, have your preparations done. Stay in a safe place, follow local authorities, and evacuate if told so. So please be careful. That's the rainfall. There's like here's some other models too, like the GFS shows the rain until next Thursday. The GFS is passing right over this island as well, close to 225 millimeters, more than 200. More parts of the eastern Philippines, more than 200 millimeters. Then it shows there where might make a landfall, close to 300. There's a spot or two of 308, 303 millimeters. So please be careful with flooding and landslides there, and river flooding and very dangerous flash flooding. So please stay safe. There's the access model. It goes there. It's very close to the coast, so like 289, 283 millimeters along the eastern Philippines. Has there all along like 312 millimeters. So please stay safe with flooding there. There's the icon 2, passes right over this island, 269 millimeters, 200, let's see, 257, 285, shows some small islands there, close to 300 millimeters, maybe some urban flooding, coastal flooding, and flash flooding, so please be careful. Stay away from flooding, it can be very dangerous, and please stay safe there. Uh, and the wind, the heavy rain plus the winds from this will be very problematic. So these are the wind gusts. Right, shows more than 79 km per gust. Some islands of the eastern Philippines. Then the European model has it passing right over this island here, with more than 195 km per gust. Some spots there close to 200, 202 km per gusts, 170, 193. So please stay safe. These winds can cause damage to infrastructure, down trees and power lines, and coastal flooding and storm surge. So please stay safe. This wind plus the rainfall and the flash flooding, so it shows that 153 km per gust, higher in other parts of the eastern Philippines. This goes there shows still some very high gusts on some islands there, close to like 182 km per hour gusts. Some other islands 178. It depends where you're at too. And already starts showing by early on Sunday, some strong winds throughout the central northern Philippines Sunday afternoon. Then this goes Sunday night into Monday, shows some very strong winds close to 200 km per hour gusts, right where this makes landfall in the central northern Philippines, the part of the North Island, 205 km per hour gusts, 160 140. So please be careful with the wind there. There might be power outages and flooding and stuff, so please stay safe. This passes still a strong wind until Monday morning, and then this goes away there. Once this goes, shows more stronger winds between Taiwan and Japan, not Japan, China. In the ocean, there's some stronger winds, and then this might go towards near China and dissipate there in the South China Sea. So please stay safe there. There's like, this is the European, there's the GFS wind gusts, so goes there, passes right over, very close to that island. The GFS just has 130 km per hour gusts. The European had like 200, and then it goes there. The GFS is a little bit weaker at landfall too, but it does show more than 129 km per hour gusts. That's very dangerous. But the icon is even crazier than the European, so show like 172 km per hour gusts in parts of those islands, close to like 195 to 200 in the northern part of that island, the central Philippines. So please stay safe there. Shows some other parts of the eastern Philippines, some 198 to 137 km per hour gusts. This goes, the icons like very strong winds over these islands here, like 149 km per hour gusts, 161. So please stay safe. And when it goes to make landfall, the northern island does show like 148, 156 km per hour gusts. Right at landfall, might be even strong, close to 170 or something. So please stay safe from these winds, from storm surge, and from flooding there. Shows high winds all the way throughout most of the northern island there. So this goes away there, and into the South China Sea, some stronger winds in the ocean near Taiwan and China later. So please stay safe there. This storm is very serious. The waves are very big there too, and the storm surge, especially when this makes landfall there. Please be careful with the coastal flooding. The waves shows larger waves later throughout China and Taiwan, many areas. So stay safe there. And let's see here. They do have the track here. That's Usagi there near Taiwan, but there's this storm here. Pepito, it goes there, scrapes the eastern Philippines with very high rainfall and strong winds, makes landfall right to the northern island there, and passes into the South China Sea. So please stay safe, and yeah, be careful with the heavy rain. There's like this site here, they have some heavy rain advisories and the tropical cyclone advisories and everything. So this is in the description too. Some like tropical storm, tropical cyclone alert, and this general flood advisory tagged in red is like an extreme flood advisory in the red. So please stay safe there and warn others and stay away from flooding. Be careful with the winds and everything. And yeah, stay safe. Let's just see a model or two here to see if something else will happen. So maybe like in the Western Pacific, there's Pepito there. It goes into the South China Sea, likely weakens there. Might leave a little bit of rain near southern China And yeah, and the GFS is spawning a system, the Bay of Bengal there too. So we'll check that more in the Indian Ocean tropical update tomorrow. But in Asia, it's not showing anything else crazy. Does show something around December 1st of moisture there, but that's very far out, and these models don't know anything that far out. There's the GFS in like Japan, has a non-tropical system, just like a lot of rain in Japan, November 25th and 26th, but that's like a week out. But we'll, we'll also monitor that. There's the European model, shows pepito there in the Philippines, very strong, goes there into the South China Sea and weakens there in the South China Sea. And then it's showing some moisture in the Bay of Bengal, but it's not showing anything that crazy. And in Asia, does have a system near Japan with heavy rain around the 25th and 26th, but not showing anything else that crazy. So please stay safe there in the Philippines. Be careful with wind, rain, and flooding, and everything else. And please stay safe.